You don't want to miss this one. No, this is real talk. Tell me about the thing. Tell me about other people's experience. What's been your experience? So we have someone here who was really one of the genesis of why we are bringing Uchee Pines here today. Mrs. Judith James Watts, a Jamaican who went to Uchee Pines, took plane, went up, checked in herself for 2 weeks to get the lifestyle coaching that she needed in Uchee Pines and back in Jamaica now. She's the director of Leisure for Pleasure. She is going to bring you her testimony right now. She's going to introduce her testimony.
Greetings, all protocols observed. It is my pleasure to share with you today my testimony. I went to Uchee Pine and my life has changed, literally changed since my visit. I never knew that I would be able to get rid of many ailments, and trust me, it is worth every penny. So I did a video, which I'm going to share with you very shortly. I'd like you to take the time to enjoy and then to ask me any questions after. But before I share the video, I must say I'm happy to be here. I've heard from so many persons so far, and I'm really happy to hear what is happening and then hopefully the change that will take place. The high diabetes level, the hypertension levels in the country has really touched me. And my heart is to see how I can use my testimony to help others to reverse their ailments. It can be reversed. My sugar level was so high, hypertension, heart problems, everything you guys spoke about, I had it, right? Obesity, you name it. But when I went to Uchee Pine and I learned how the things relate, how the sleep was impactful. I didn't understand how sleep is so important, how exercise is important. We take it for granted. Drinking water, sunshine, deep breathing, all these things were new to me. So when I was in the classes or the lectures and I learned all of this stuff in my mature age, I said, where have I been all this time? Where have I been? We spend so much time doing so many things, working, and don't understand the impact on our organs. You know, so I'm going to encourage persons. Education for me was key. Hosea 4 verse 6, my people have a lack of knowledge. Lack of knowledge is what we don't have. So I'm going to say whatever we can do to get this into our schools, into our homes, into our churches, we get the knowledge. How do we get our people to understand what we are doing wrong all our lives? The trans fat, the fast foods, you name it. We go and we take in these things and then we get sick. So the point I'm saying, for me, it has been a life-changing experience, and I'd like people to know that they can indeed reverse their ailments by a lot of lifestyle changes. Before I load my seat, I'm going to say to persons that my personal desire, two things, is that we start educating our people from the very school level right up. And number two, it is my desire to have a Uchee Pines in Jamaica, a lifestyle wellness center in Jamaica, right? It is expensive to go because it takes, you have to have a US visa in the first place to go to the US. So if we can bring one to Jamaica, help our people to reverse their ailments, get our health bill down, get our lives back in order, help the Caribbean people who don't have US visas as well, right? And help them to get their lives back in check, we'll be a happier nation. I'm also going to say it can be a tourism earning for the country as well. Because if we in Jamaica can build a proper center, just like Uchee Pine, it will be helpful to our people to Jamaica. Thank you.